Hi, to activate Google Assistant on your OnePlus Nord 3, firstly we need to open settings, and now let's use this search bar to type in the word general. And now we can see the Google Assistant. So to enable it, we will need to simply tap on the switcher and confirm that we want to turn it on. And now we can also go in the preferred input and choose one of two options, either voice or keyboard. And here use screen context. Now, we would need to swipe up to open the list of apps, find the Assistant tab, tap it, and now we need to say everything which represented on the screen. Let's try this one more time. Remind me to take out the trash tonight. And that is how it works. You can say "Hey Google" and it will be activated within a couple of seconds. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.